Gone with the Wind by Margaret Mitchell. Scarlett O'Hara, a Southern belle, navigates love, loss, and survival during the American Civil War and Reconstruction era, clinging to her land and independence. Gone with the Wind is a novel that explores moral and philosophical themes set during the Civil War. The novel addresses issues of race, class, and gender, particularly slavery, and the power imbalance. It also explores love, duty, and morality. The story Gone with the Wind is a fiction written by Margaret Mitchell that is set in the American Civil War and serves as reference to what happened in the Civil War and how they mistreated individuals in the form of slavery, race, war, and adaptation of survival. The story explores the effects of war with the characters like Scarlett O'Hara becoming tough and pragmatic to survive. The author provides valuable insights into the personal and societal disturbance caused by the Civil War. It's very helpful to recognize the simplified and flawed portrayal of slavery and race.